a bang. Like, it started off on such a high.
Nothing more New Westminster.
The local entrepreneurs in the community could be the ones bringing their own talent.
Far more entertaining than I anticipated.
The community just really came out and supported the event. It really felt like this community experience that we were all going through together.
NWX experience began as an idea from our good friend Gerardo at Tourism New Westminster. Gives a call and said, hey, I know you're a New Westie. I know that you love this place, love this city. I've done a lot of work. My family is still largely in New Westminster. And so is a lot of our philanthropic efforts. No better place to be involved in than your hometown. So we got involved just from that phone call and our friendship with Gerardo. And more importantly, it was around the idea he had of improving the visitor experience and the tourism economy in the city.
So as a destination manager, one of the things that you need to have is enough product and enough experiences to sell or to attract visitors. And even though New Westminster has so many things to do, we encountered the situation where most of those things are free. And what that means is that it leaves the responsibility to promote the destination to the DMO, to us, to Tourism New Westminster. But when you have more experiences and more attractions that can be sold, that can be booked in advance, you can also offer a commission to a sales team or third parties that can offer them to their own public, like hotels around us, for example. So we decided to go out there and look for the opportunity to create new experiences that could be sold to the public, could be booked, and also could turn into a better experience for our visitors.
I was floored at the caliber of the pitches, first of all, both from the student and non-student contingents. There were a couple of times that I was really floored by the science of it. People were really coming forward with scientifically forward-thinking, innovative things.
Hey, my name is Caitlin. I run a music school. It's usually in my basement, but I want to bring it out to you.
Giving a presentation made me feel a little nervous. Thing worth doing isn't scary. You don't need to wait for your idea to be perfect.
For us, it really wasn't about the money, it was about the experience.
I came all the way from Surrey to be here.
Every idea was incredible.
I can't think of anything that's more New West.
For me, it was the ideas that emphasized the sense of place.
Every pitch was compelling.
I was proud of everyone.
Really coming through with ideas that are so grounded in the community. It was a kaleidoscope.
I don't understand why every city isn't doing this.
When there's opportunities like this to have a crazy idea and people can help you with resources.
We're expecting to see a newest experience 2026 and hopefully one each year.
I feel with that, it can just kind of go up from here and become bigger and bigger year over year.
We need more of you and we need more of the NWX experience. I want to thank everybody for putting in the effort and the time and the energy and the thinking and their thoughtfulness to try and make the NWX experience better.
Strum and sip, baby. Strum and sip. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Da 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 da.